hena riri kamite ya gukubururi-ini ya kurwa na ngungumio itagwo EACC ina mubango wa guthomithia andu horo wigie integrity na kurwa na ngungumio ni mena kothio marenda gukorwo magithomithania itemi-ini ria kuhitana na ungumania na ngungumio na nirarihwo
arihwo atia full course
matirarihia goro for now ni ukuoherera 53 guthomithio maundu ma integrity
kurwa na ngungumio
ukoe mundu mwihokeku wira-ini mundu ungihokerwo tuciringi
already mena arutwo kenda Uganda. And you know, you might take some things for granted, but you were telling me in the region, for that matter, and the continent, tufururio mwa uri okoragwo na mawatho ma kurwa na ngungumio maria marumu piu.
In fact, gitaro-ini kia Africa ri mabũrũri maingĩ ma gĩtarũ kia Africa ri they look up to Kenya horo wigie bara ya kurwa na ngungumio mikakati ria tukoragwo twikirite mawatho maria twikirite na structures cia ũrũi wa ngungumio ni ũkũririkana sometimes hatukiuga ni bũrũri wa was it Namibia?
I think it was one of the countries in that part of Africa.
Matumite delegation nene muno guku yuke guthoma horo wigie anti-corruption.
Tanzania ni merega guka ku benchmark.
They look up to us guka ni horo wigie kurwa na ngungumio
itondo kwe mabũrũri matari ene ulu ngithita mundu urite mbeca cia mũingĩ. Well, away from the fact that probably mamwe guku matikirumagirirwo but basically mawatho mau mekuo. There are measures and policies in place.
The laws are there.
Na nikiona andu aria maramba kwiyandikithia ri tia guku because we also have a way of shining our systems.
Wewe mena arutwo kenda kuma Uganda. Riu nikio ndakora mabũrũri maria mangi ni maturoraga muno guoka ni horo wigie kurwa na ngungumio makaigua ati nginya tuthondekete body ta EACC
with a functional board.
Nyamu gatiba-ini.
It is embedded in the law. Makarigwo how now? You see, if you talk about corruption, it will be a very short time.
No, tigane good will yagaga ri. Bũrũri no turwe na ngungumio.
Wega biũ.
Tondu mawatho meho, everything is there.
We have a framework. We just need to make it watertight. Guku no good will yagaga. Otherwise everything is there. Na nuona meho kama fundithio guku kurwa na ngungumio. Of course mekwamba kumenya horo wigie the structure of EACC. Macoka kwa ni uhuthu matuike very effective.
Very.
You see what happens? Taru tata gwa ngihingura na thariri tira ithi mumutwarire ciana bada ngihingura hau hanyu tira ithi twero ciana ne family. Ewo na ukuri I think it's the same. And makigura mugathi akiuga guko ni aroka kinyume na gapepo keho
huku kuna pepo
ya gukirira undu wothe
na gufika everything. Kuna pepo.
So we look on the flip side. No, I think this is good at Asia Uganda. No ni kura magefundithiria kurwa na ngungumio ni bũrũri
Kenya.
No ya guku Kenya magiona 53 cikwa baireo. No, turi tumono twikite guku.
No, the chances are there. Ona
nikiceraga hanini. I know there is a place we are that some people are not.
Yes.
Tau Nigeria mage.
No mama ke muno.
Ati andu maroka guku benchmark training.
Mafundithio kurwa na ngungumio mabũrũri-ini mao.
Riu me Uganda maroni atiriri. Where did Benjamin go? Benjamin is studying abroad. What is he studying abroad? Abroad where? He went to Kenya.
Nairobi.
He went abroad to Kenya to study fighting corruption. Makorania. And where is he going to practice?
Take a consultant.
I think he's planning on relocating to another country. Because when he comes back with his certificates here, it is going to be a little bit of a mlima. No, there are countries that don't have structures.
Zimbabwe na no mambire kugega mangiuka guku. Morie nginya matho ma mwathondekire ri. Mwathondekeirwo ne.
Where did brother Jacob go to? Oh, he went to Kenya at the EACC. He went to the EACC Institute to see how they can fight around corruption that is ravaging our society. When he comes back, who is going to employ him here? After he studies and he graduates at the Kenyan EACC, are they going to give him a job there or he's coming to practice here?
Matiga department yo kadini. Gathine kire irio handu we ministry tari riri.
I think when you go there and come back here, you can be employed in church. Because who fights corruption around here?
Yona Nigeria mboke githomo guku.
Yeah.
Ugao. Hey.
Thank you very much for the graduating. Can you give us a place at Mirema where we can start an office? Because where I come from, the things you taught us do not apply. Oh. Let me tell you, they don't apply. Oh. Nobody can buy that. But you have to, as Kenyans, our structures are there.
We have everything
embedded in the law. Yes.
This is a corruption-free zone.
Yes. You are now entering
a corruption-free zone.
Yes. Say no to corruption. Yes. Epuka hogo
na ufisadi. Tugikururia magururi. Kuri andu nao makoma maturorete no makona twembere muno.
Data iniuru. Mwana twembere ta iniuru. Tumatikane ire yake. Yes. No igona rutana me alikithie ni oganda. Mutie kuragia intake ya muruto wa uku.
Tiga no gapepo kaka mugathe arari uhoro wako kara gatucema.
Na gapepo ka uri. You see, remwe na tiziaza ri. Ona taru muno gitaru giki gitu ri. Ni turi gapepo ka ukari ri. Mubuge da hewo ida. Ni here. And we keep repeating that same song.
Yes.
Yes.
Na ugiro guko gitaru giki gitu nikyo gitano banene muno.
Yes.
Ya tongoria re mana thuru.
Absolutely. Ireu. Apepo ka ugaku gya maundu maito mothe ni moru ri. We cannot be that bad. Iwa maroka guthoma kurwa na ngukumi huku. Yes. Ana muno ni athia cukuru egwagwo no kauma na
maroka guthoma guku.
Yes.
Kwao kuhana ati.
Kwao gathari. Kwao nyawira hakambea.
We kodu matepo kageirwo biu.
Kuna mahali tuko. Yes.
We are somewhere.
Yes, we are. Hena muthogo we kuria Kereni. Na andu amwe no mekio tu ni andu a Kereni. Did you query Karen? Karen is just Karen. Guys. And Karen is low density. And they gonna go in a the people who wanted to I don't know whether they started the school already. They did a very serious community Eta odu. Public participation. Na do akereni. And among some of the demands they were giving, Noria Maheanaga, you realize Karen is not your ordinary community.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Mabire makiwa ginya oria meko regulate traffic yao. Nika overflow ka farakaria karagero ni adu akereni. Yes. Makiwa ginya speakers yao the decibels. Idia mare huthagira auditorium mwine siyao. Na mwanangia benefit na meko era the current community. Yes.
Wadi maginya na decibel.
Yes. Decibel. Ginya it was very detailed. I'll get you that document. Maitari ginya uri auditorium si ausgo kwa sina sound proofing. Very sophisticated on butikaya toro ruto makiare.
Matiri hede makanega na community.
Yes. Ayo dio kwa yako getukora kwa ni wani. Ni do garuinya.
Otageto maya.
Kala ni ne.
Na kwa mari. Mari.
Kala ni do githiate. Okamyo uorote. Ugeno wagiaritana. Wajie ke kanitha.
Oye, te hagas que fellowship. And baby growers.
No, there is a huge process. I think we see a car, you know, Farasire main road in Fem na sitam. Yes. Go get the other code in the ton of the moda.
Ora tio kio gwate si de todo we odo no odo kuo te ro gini no wakugusia gatuka
Kereni.
It's a controlled place.
Low density and it is a lot of history. Yes. Leo kwenda muzungu mweko uwe. Akora tu akirira kido gito Ciahuruta. Yes. Maundu can only happen in Karen. To end 4 million butterflies.
Aigete ha.
He has a structure. Ciahuruta cianyita akomithia. Cie kio nyamuri tu hotuhana. Nurona mwato wake riu. Uria thoreka waturu fao njoke ikambake. Magua. Yes. Riu tuiketi oguo. Akanyithia tu Ciahuruta. Ni andikite andu agucihita.
Wauge na ciga na Ciahuruta.
Milioninya.
4 million.
Yes.
Kamwe ugue milioninya.
Kamwe. Ndioni agiko feature ni Larry Meadows. Yes, he was CNN. Yes. He's a lepidopterist. Gometa kwa dosi mara otasi Ciahuruta.
Ate
lepidopterist. Yes.
Reptile weo.
Leo ya ndo maroka wake kuweta Ciahuruta. Na nimasi todo and 4 million of them.
Is your NGIRI.
Yes.
That's a serious collection.
Na ni aracia dia. Unigete ne neu ne akinyete kunoga. Unia cia gucineana.
Arendi atia.
Na kimu aruga kina kio kia goro muno ri. Ni kia dora ngiri nyanya.
$8,000. Ciahuruta kimwe.
Nisikihana ngoima. Hell yeah, hana. Yes. Not a mahiu. Yes. Kana guire German Shepherd, Bourbel. Yes. And kirela kio kia goro muno kia ngiri nyanya. Koguo ni tuge ona
ngiri nyanya cia $1.
Yeah,
that's a lot of money.
That's around 90,000. Na nyugete beri. Ciahuruta ciake 4 million iri. No ende muno cikiguro ni mundu uri gugu Kenya. To ndarenda gucitemenga. Nuru wakora eto gake gwatiriri. Mugondo cio ndiraturanga ni woyo guo ha?
Woyo guo hana. Ne kaigire na nuthu.
Ndiratinangia mugunda mathabu mau manda makesho ni ndimoini. Leo Ciahuruta ciake arendia ci buroko.
Ndarendia na ritiru.
Hapana.
Ago ndi uragura arendia na huruseru.
Yes.
Ciahuruta milioninya.
Yes.
Riu guku angigurirwo no Ciahuruta. Tiga thirikari ri.
Ona thirikari one Thirikari na access ya Ciahuruta ile irombuka o.
Toi kigore cia guthomithia.
Maokio yo guku. Ciahuruta milioni 4. Za collector.
Na au arendia wholesale.
Ndareta mega.
Ago ndu uragura ucio eciothe.
Gutie mundu rathimirwo kilo. Ni oi murigo wiwo?
Wiothe.
Yes. Na ni cia research tu na cio thaka. Yes.
Ai.
Kinga mundu enda Ciahuruta milioni 4.
Ni urenda Ciahuruta.
Yes, these are Lepidopteris.
Riu Udogo Steve wa Kereni.
Ni aramonania Ciahuruta. Ciahuruta ciake ni cia mwanya
thaka
ciina mathagu marie na maitho macangararu kona. Ni undu wa horo makiria no ari na muthoni mdogo. Site visit kuona Ciahuruta ici niyo gatatu
kuma thaa 8. Ni atemenge wa 10 wa 20 wa 100.
Ani andu aria mari aguya no mari Ciahuruta. We arauga ndarenderia mundu ngeciri arenda mundu ngeciri dedicate to science. Yes. No, wende gutuika lepidopterists. Leu
Udogo Steve.
Yes. Ela Ciahuruta milioni 4. Iyakoretwo akihita ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩaka 10.
Uri undu na hi ucio ni hi
na riu icio tu kwendia thirikari no egwetia kanyamu hau
igukia gwitia niki
okay
no for every trade the government is entitled to something,
to tax.
Yes,
okay.
Lazima ulipe ushuru.
But can you even in the first place own wild animals?
I don't think you can.
Those Ciahuruta ti domestic.
It is domestic.
Yes.
I don't know what the law says about Ciahuruta.
Because Joe Kiremi told me you cannot own a lion. You can only get permission from the government to have one. Not own. Yes.
No do thirikari ya Kenya ngipuruvu ati Ciahuruta icio ni cia guku.
Itona ngigicito cia weru ni cia reheire. Akijurega problem kidogo.
Do ona mugimuthitanga ri ni akuga Ciahuruta ici ciaumite hana ciakinya guku ngihita
oni arauga na cirogotetwo from all over Africa.
Yes.
Yes.
So you cannot prove ni cianyu.
You see there is even a county tigu ama investire pesa cia guita twana tuguyo twa thamaki rui
prove ni cianyu
tugiswimu tugithie county
Masira vamwe ni maritu.
Maritu. No na kyange prove ati ati cia guku. My lords, the natural pattern of butterflies in the tropical regions have no blue coloration, my lords. No, it will be very interesting to watch.
Interesting.
Very interesting. Let me ask you, are the butterflies color red? Are they red? Answer, are they red or blue? Are they a mixture? Are you with us or not with us?
I'm with us.
Thank you. Answer clearly. The butterflies in question, were they flying? When they were alive, did they fly? How can you substantiate that they flew from North Pole or from Congo? Is it possible? Very good.
No,
that's a very new one. Lepidopteris. Yes. But you don't just plant a jacaranda. Oh, my God.
Te 50 ndio kahande jacaranda.
Jacaranda yenda kundu kwina driveway. Are we together? Yes. Na ndia da kwa ndo muda gatagati ndikuraku. You don't see jacaranda in the middle of a shamba. Yenda kwika dia driveway ni. So that when what color are those flowers? Are they violet or purple?
Somewhere there about.
The violet, purple, indigo-ish. They are about. Those petals cia gwa driveway ni. Ukona hena bano cia gari. Ti bano cia mahiu. Check around. I know these things. Tonto gele kwa adamu sakarada mihango. Ria tu astraguraga.
Ona inyo no kugeria.
No, it eventually grew up what do my late father. It eventually grew mudaro anaguo ginya wakura. Albert is not a very tall one. You know, Mwango is also very rocky. Yes.
No, we umeti.
No, we umeti. Yes. You see, on a kayabari, we could carry a piu.
Nagakanga thia pio gutumana.
Yes.
No hande kaiyafa yes kamere. No karege gutumana.
Ni karege girathi ta fundi wa iratu. Kaiyafa tiko bogol filia. Ezu amukera ore mani ibora matamboe. Na mecha haro giriro.
Na kiuti gikimeragia rugongo rwa gwitu mioro gitagwo gituthu
Rekira kiko kiana gitoci
keitha ngure arie we na imata njigua karori waga kure okire nakio gutimenyeka arutite kwa muthungu uriku
and it pollinates itself kana maruru meho mamera kure thika green na maumete rugongo mau namo ni maruragia na machororoma isi kwe maigoya maigoya na mumatithia go automatic no maigoya za the two hands ale kore machororoma di umetati akwanyi
betagwo uguo
the ones with the black stalk mau ne makuraga because they are functionally useless. But the other petal soft ones, matiria ihenya. No he kiroro geubera ginya kioro gio.
Nage karura.
Dona nyajo ori gurukaga.
Indo iria useless ni cia ikura mu.
Kariaria. No yaria kugomania kaiyafa. Kaiyafa ginya akire attitude. It has attitude. You have to give it attention.
Nyingi muno.
A lot.
In fact, on institutions ire guko kwandikirwo mundu purpose ire wa gugatungata
guko
gukomereria
one kaigira
ni getha gatumane
na ugaceherera wega na kugacehetwo wega you are able to tell family yori they have old money.
You see kaiyafa nenda gacehuri.
Yes.
You even buy a tool ya guceha kaiyafa.
Igatici haona ruhiu.
Hapana.
Yes.
No.
There is a secateurs. No secateurs.
Yeni ni kuri magathi ma guceha kaiyafa.
Wega biu. Na rugiru rwariri. Muti uthondeka Christmas tree wetagwo atia?
Mutarakwa.
Yes. He rugiri rwa mutarakwa.
He we. Ro naruo kurugomania ri.
Yes.
Ikurugomania rutumane wega na ruthondeke rugiri noticeable ni ritho.
Ruikara ta kindu ngigaragarira iguru.
Yes. You will need around a decade.
If not more. Yes.
Miaka ta 10 ya gukurutungata wega.
Na rugiri rwa muthemba ucio na rutithuire wagi wa king'otore.
You see.
Tia deteratha. Oiko ite king'otore ri. It becomes trees.
Tondu na rio kurutungata ni mbia.
No, it is costly. You know it's landscaping and gardening.
tondu bwana rungiakinya gutumana ri ni rwendaga meci waya gatagati nigetha ngui tigature njira na nguku tigature njira kuu gatagati itigie mianya
ungirwa ndo tari kanyamu ri wona rwa ukira. No, you look around. This is research.
Kaiafa.
Yes.
It is a statement.
Yes.
It's a statement.
Now, no, there's another one. Ulu kuragia eni haori.
Luriko.
Oya rwiri. Tumauti twa green na yellow. Kau nega gakura anywhere. Kathia guthie.
Na nĩ gatambire mũno nginya rũgongo.
Yes.
No na kongi ũngĩaga gũgatrim.
It can become a bush.
Gatuĩkaga gĩthaka. No nĩ irahandwo mũno institutions.
Na kũgacehetwo wega. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Na nĩ kandĩkaga rĩtwa.
Yes. Nĩ kandĩkaga.
Ihiga Secondary School. Yes.
They work very well institutions in it. Na mĩciĩ nayo ya
ona institution iria ciaiguĩte ri he keho kahandagwo twarendio na yellow kandĩkwo hau, you know,
administration block.
No ũrĩa ũrona ndĩmwe itharũkĩte noguo ũmenya mismanagement ya institution.
It has a lot to do with the management.
Wewe kuona administration block. Ero nĩ aregire kũheo maĩ.
Ukamenya utongoria kuu no muhocu.
Ukamenya these are telltale signs.
Na ndũngĩkona rũgiri wega ucoke wage gate.
No,
you have to have a formidable gate.
Formidable gate ĩngĩara nginya road. A formidable gate.
Rĩu kuu ũkĩingĩra rĩ, you have to come through the gate.
Absolutely, you don't approach through the farmlands. Dumana kiria. What do you call this nursery?
Matuta-inĩ. Kuu ũka kĩhingo-inĩ. Wagũra gũkũhingio getana.
Ũgetana.
Kana ũhũre ngengere.
Kana thimũ. Yes. No, these are facts.
Atĩ ũngĩakora institution at administration box. Ukamenya kuu EACC no yone wĩra.
Kana P box andũ a PU. Kamenya kũguo foretu. They have no time for small.
Foretu nginya mbeca cia ground maintenance.
Ah.
Like